guys? It's your girl ARIE. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. I'm so happy right now. First of all, let's get into these curls, baby. Y'all know when it comes to curling on my own hair, I can't do it. But the Lord done blessed my hands tonight because where I'm going, okay, to find a man. Nah, y'all, I'm jacking these curls. Oh my god. See, okay. First of all, this is Kbeth hair, right? Well, y'all gonna know from the title. And this is a closure, but your girl made it look like a frontal. Like, what happened? I want to start getting into the closures that are like the 6x6 closures, because these closures are like too small for me. I can't really do my baby hairs. Y'all see I messed up, but I don't care because the curls is popping. Okay, now about this hair, y'all can see this hair is still bouncy. It still has its shine. It's soft. I have shedding, of course, because I cut the wefts, because I don't care. I feel like the hair is going to shed anyway. I went ahead and I bleached this hair, of course. I made it a wig, and I bleached the hair. The only thing I could say is that I didn't like the bleaching part, because I bleached this hair twice, y'all. And this is how light it got. I'm not mad because it looks good because of the curls. This hair holds curls good. As you guys saw, these curls, this hair holds curls so good, y'all. I'm like honestly about to go to the curly side now because I'm feeling myself. But yeah, like I said, it didn't really taste bleach well. I had to bleach it twice. I started my hair around 5 o'clock to make the wig and everything, and then I bleached it, of course. And it is now 1:05, y'all. I'm now finishing because I just kept leaving the bleach on, and I was like, okay, it has to change. I would leave the bleach on, go to the store, come back, and the hair is like, this is how bright it got. I wanted a brighter look, of course, but more platinum. But honestly, y'all, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it, y'all. Go buy this hair. Go buy this hair. It holds curls great, y'all. I'm happy. I look like who? Okay, nah, I'm mad hype. But y'all, that is the end of this video. Well, this is not the end. This is the beginning. Well, I'll see you guys at the end of this video. All the hair information will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family, and of course, I will see you guys in the next video. On the road, hold on, on the road to 32K, man. Let's get it, let's go. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
in the air, this gas or what? He'll still be alive right now if you niggas ain't gas him up. Give my shorty stimulus and guns, I tell him slap for nothing.